Telugu Desam Party chief N. Chandrababu Naidu was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh after his party emerged victorious in the latest assembly elections held recently. The state geared up for the elaborate swearing-in ceremony of Chandrababu Naidu as Chief Minister, which was also attended by Prime Minister Modi. During the ceremony, actor-turned-politician Pawan Kalyan, also the president of the Janasena party, took oath as the state's deputy chief minister. "20 ministers, that is other ministers, including state politicians Nara Lokesh, Chandrababu Naidu's son, and Kincharapu Achanaidu also took oath as members of the state cabinet.
సత్యకుమార్ యాదవ్ అనే నేను